In today's video, we'll answer the question, how to connect ShopWired with Shopify. We'll go over everything you need to know, from what ShopWired is all about, to how you can integrate it with Shopify, and whether this integration is really the best option for you. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share an exclusive deal for a free trial of a competitor that might be a better fit for your needs. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. First, let's start with ShopWired. It's an e-commerce platform that lets you build your online store with ease. While it's a great choice for smaller shops and those who prefer simplicity, it does come with its limitations. You won't have as many customization options as Shopify, and the user interface isn't as polished. But for its price point, it might still appeal to certain store owners. Now, when it comes to connecting ShopWired with Shopify, the process isn't exactly seamless. Shopify is known for being one of the best platforms out there, with tons of integrations, apps, and support. However, if you're looking to combine these two platforms, you'll need a third-party solution, like an API or a custom-built app, because at the time of recording, there's no native integration between the two. Next thing, you'll likely want to sync products, orders, and customer data between both platforms. To do that, you're going to need to use a third-party app or service like Zapier or Integromat. These services allow you to create workflows that automatically sync data between Shopify and ShopWired. Setting up these workflows can be tricky if you're not tech-savvy, so make sure to test things thoroughly before going live with your integration. The fourth thing you'll want to keep in mind is that ShopWire doesn't have the same powerful ecosystem of apps as Shopify. If you're using Shopify's vast array of tools and plugins, be prepared for some limitations when connecting to ShopWired. This might mean sacrificing some functionality or efficiency in your workflows. Next, let's talk about pricing. Connecting ShopWired with Shopify isn't necessarily going to be the cheapest option out there. With third-party apps, you're looking at an extra monthly cost on top of what you're already paying for both platforms. Plus, if you're running a large e-commerce operation, the complexities of the integration might end up costing you more in time and money than it's worth. But here's the real question. Is this integration worth it? It depends on your goals. If you're trying to expand your store across multiple platforms or combine the strengths of both, the integration might work for you. But if you're hoping for a smooth and simple solution, you might want to reconsider. Now, let's talk about alternatives. If you're open to other options, I've got a better solution for you. There are platforms out there that allow you to seamlessly integrate your store with Shopify without the hassle of third-party services. One of these is Insert Competitor Name, which offers powerful features and a far more streamlined experience for Shopify integration. It's an excellent choice for anyone who needs a reliable and simple e-commerce platform with less technical complexity. And guess what? Through our link, you'll get the best exclusive deal and extended free trial for Competitor Name, which will help you set up your Shopify store without the headaches of ShopWired. So, if you're ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level, check out the link in the description below. We're offering a deal that's only available to our viewers, and you'll get access to an extended trial, plus exclusive benefits you won't find anywhere else. Don't forget, while ShopWired might be a good starting point, for a more powerful and seamless integration with Shopify, Competitor Name is the better choice.